Okay, today we are doing rounding to decimal places. DP stands for decimal place, and we're going to use something called the balloon method. So what we're going to do to start with, I'm rounding to one decimal place. Okay, one decimal place is one after the decimal place. I'm going to draw a lovely balloon. See that balloon? Now, think of a helium balloon. When you buy a helium balloon, the ones that float up, they have a lovely string, and the string goes to the next number. Now, imagine you got a helium balloon. If you were holding a helium balloon with your hand here and you let go with 5 fingers, the helium balloon would float up to the sky. 5 to 9 up the vine, 0 to 4 to the floor. The 5 tells you this balloon, if I let go of 5 fingers, is going up. So what happens is, it turns into a 2 and a 4. So what happens to the numbers afterwards? Now this is my little rule I like to follow. I think of everything after a decimal place a bit like a safety pin, okay? As in, you pop all the numbers afterwards, pop all the balloons, so there's no numbers you need to write afterwards. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, not quite that one yet. This one, I like this one here. So, same thing, 2 decimal places. DP stands for decimal places. So it's 2 after the decimal place. So we're going to make this our balloon. Draw a lovely balloon, and remember all helium balloons have strings, as shown there. Okay, and again, what if I had a helium balloon and I let go with 2 fingers? Well, that helium balloon wouldn't even move because I've still got fingers holding on to it. So the 2, remember 0 to 4, stays to the floor. 5 to 9, up the vine. So the 2 makes this 9 not change. 9, 1.5. And again, because it's after the decimal place, think of a safety pin. Safety pin, we pop the last number. Okay, last question. This one is a little bit more tricky. Okay, 2 decimal places. So again, draw a balloon at the 2nd decimal place. Draw a lovely thing and then another squiggly line. Now again, if I let go of 9 fingers, of course I would let go of 5, then another 4 on my other hand. That balloon would definitely float to the ceiling, 5 to 9 up the vine. But this is where it's weird. Think about it. 9, if you make it one more, gives you 10. This balloon isn't big enough to fit 2 digits. So what we're going to do is make it bigger. We're going to extend it to the next one. And now we got a big enough balloon, but we got an extra digit. So what is one more than 49? It's 50. And then again, a 5 here. And then again, everything after those digits, I love drawing my little safety pins, pop, so the 9 disappears and the 2 disappears. The key is this 0 actually is here. Even though I know it's the same number as 5.5, they have asked for 2 decimal places, so we must provide that.